both teams once again. This is the final matchup of the day. Could be the final game too. Rarin moves for the purple as well as Joseph too. Baxia. Very important. RNT has already got one game in the bag, looking to get one more for themselves. Kramgod already trying to beat out Witch on the other side. That Kimi. बहुत अच्छा by the way आपने invade करा है तो.
Exactly, because idea देखिए Autobots का is just very different here.
Yeah.
Rarin now wants to try and get his own buff, but this is a big thing. Now with the invade from Kramgod, it's going to be punished a little bit. Okay, Witch hops in as well. But the revitalize popping up as Toby joins the fight. No Sphere of Misery available. Another knock up onto the base. And it's going to be Kramgod taken down at the very first one with luck flickering out of the harm's way. A little bit too close to comfort, I'd say.
Problem. वो early अगर आप इतनी जल्दी अपना kill देते बैठेंगे तो जो advantage आप चाह रहे थे to create has been instantly denied. Everything is sorted out in terms of the emblems, it seems.
Yeah,
nothing crazy.
Cool. It's all cool. No changes here whatsoever.
But chaliye.
It will be another slow game again. Because Autobots तो चाहते ही हैं कि Lunox scale करे towards the later stage. Moscow scale करे with Infinity. And same idea is going to be from RNTX at the early game. Hold on, maybe they want to go in for the engage. Maybe I've just spoken a bit too soon right now as Rarin doesn't really have the level 4. Finally actually catches down the Gargoyle. Now this could be big. No Tortoise Poisson available for Joseph. The passive stack 40 by UT Asani says. Now finally hop in. Rarin is going to be taken down pretty low in the HP now. No, not enough stack. Still gets the entry on point. That is a massive steal from the dude, as right now he would want to hop in to go in for some more steal. Do you have a Tsunami Stab available? Yes, you absolutely do. The S30 connects though. No! Misses out between 4 to 5 people right now as Hybrid hopped in with his own shifting skies. With all of that said and done, it's Autobots again with a good start.
What a way, man. Witch was just trying to melt down the player. The poke damage was not working at all. Joseph also trying to chime in, but just completely denied Rarin. What a play with the support of luck. Nice one though. और इसी एक चीज की बात कर रहे थे, that kill is going to be very important. Katot, Witch trying to do the same thing. Rem, that Lunox looking very solid. Moscow, I think the late game to Autobots का भी अच्छा ही है. It's not bad at all.
You've got the Lunox, you've got the Moscow, so yep. वही है कि super late game की जब scaling की बात आएगी उसमें Jom को दिक्कत आएगी.
The problem is it should not go towards a super late game. If it's just moved towards the evolved.
Day 1 से खुद ही बोल रहे हो 20 मिनट की game होनी चाहिए.
Circumstances के हिसाब से कभी-कभार आपको अपने शब्दों को सही तरीके से इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए. And that's the Hindi. So, as we were talking about, if this game goes too late towards the Evolved Lord, I think so this will completely backfire against the players of RNT8. But once again, this could be important play. Luck utilize the Tsunami Slam, but might go kill. And yes, give me a perfect kill right there. The curtain call help, and that's it. Good kill, and now
good
they
punish,
just taking control of the river.
RNTX अब यही सबसे बड़ा factor आ जाता है उनका, that the mid-game power spike, mid-game transition scaling, वो बहुत ज़्यादा better है as compared to what Autobots have.
Yeah.
Rarin is going to be on the faces, yes, but बहुत ज़्यादा poke ले नहीं पाएंगे वो. Muri is also standing there. You kind of need someone else as well to kind of go for the face stand. Toby is going to be big, or rather Hybrid is going to be pretty big into this fight.
Moscow is still not in the fight though. He's still towards around the river though. But a very good interest. AOG has been utilized. Now this is the time for Witch to at least get one more kill. Rarin denies Joseph Baxia completely out. Witch get one more kill. And Rarin, the threat is done too. What a good mini play. And Rio, what a good surprise though. The curtains call helped him so good. Thanking both the players alongside Kramgod AOG. Good. Synergistic play, man. Loved it.
Almost getting that bonk on the face and gets taken out of the last second. Witch on the Kimi. That's super precise right now. और इसी के साथ अब वो try करेंगे top lane में priority के लिए. Toby should be taken down, maybe not. Alright, he's gonna miss the cannon. He's not getting that whatsoever. Slight bit of a play. These stacks on the Sky Piercer. This is big right now.
Rio.
1v1, all right. That's a nice pick. Hybrid. थोड़ा underestimate कर लिया Mirio ने उनको. That big burst damage from the Sora, especially in the Thunder form.
वो लक ने भी साथ में थोड़ा सा हेल्प कर दी लक की to at least get that run. Look at him. Bait out करा रहे हैं वहाँ पर जोसेफ को. Trying to get that advantage though, but Cram God, yeah, the T1 is done. Top lane.
Oh. Up pick off for सकता है Rarin.
Oh, this is bad.
Stacks पूरे उनके पास. All he wants to do is just hold his ground down, but again, Witch को जब तक taunt नहीं लगेगा तब तक there is absolutely no point. Another traction pulse. Just to dodge away luck. Constantly trying to open up the map, but यही बात है Cram God की positioning देखिए उस खिलाड़ी की. He's giving so much information to the team right now.
True.
And far lane, so you've got Mirio as well hopping up for this turtle. While on the other side, Hybrid. Getting a little bit of a slow rotation though, but it's absolutely fine. 35 still on the clock. और अभी वो वाला point आ जाता है कि जब वो जो far lane है, जो दूर की lane है, जो objective की बिल्कुल opposite lane है, वहाँ पे अब आप try करेंगे अपने junglers को भेजने के, वो clear out करें. This is that exact point, but hold on a second. Tsunami Slam onto the face. Revitalize का इस्तेमाल जरूर हुआ है just to try and go in for the sustain, but it's not enough. Instant burst with a pick off, and this is the strength of Autobots.
Perfect one, a very good team fight. Eventually, Hybrid also chimed in with the shifting skies too. Mirio gets bonked in, and now you have to fall back, otherwise he would have lost his life. Turtle being taken down by none other than the Sora. Also chip damage the Roor. Mirio once again, remember the curtain calls are still there. Witch trying to create a lot of space. Baxia still not in the fight. He finally chimes in. Kato still present. Mirio, very risky plays. He finds it. Instantly got killed off. Nah, the space is good enough though.
Turtle.
What?
Big blitz down right now. Rarin was nowhere close to this man. This is bonkers. Right from under the noses of Autobots.
Missing Toby in every single fight, by the way.
It's fine. That's his strength, right? He will push the far lane. He will make sure that he's always away from those team fights, constantly putting that lane pressure, and then he lands in the SODs to join in the fight. Missing out on the last step though. I agree.
Okay. Baxia once again stunning it. Clear. Instantly goes in with the Tsunami Slam. Joseph, I don't think so you should worry about because Witch is right there to protect him. Once again, this is going to be a very important play. Joseph timing in. Luck about to go down, but he escapes. Witch also chimes in at the right tick of time. Shifting skies utilized. But what a play by Witch. Cram God got traded off. Witch, another kill. Witch with the triple. This guy is a demon in disguise. A complete annihilation.
Stacking up that Sky Piercer now up to 60.
Nah, brutal.
Try and exercise him, man, but I don't think so. Got enough holy water to do that.
जब तक टोबी आते टीम ठह गई.
आते भी तो भी इतना कुछ क्रेजी हो नहीं पाता because
SOD से एक ही प्लेयर पकड़ते जब तीन प्लेयर साथ में Tsunami Slam के साथ घुसने won't be able to do much. Another turret. Char turret has been destroyed.
Now glowing wand picked up already. अब सवाल ये है कि क्या Witch Divine Glaive की तरफ जाएंगे और will he go in for the Blood Wings? Depend करता है कि itemization क्या चल रही है Autobots की.
Yeah.
Because if they've already made up some of the magic defense like the Radiant Armors or something like that, then you'd rather want to go in for the Divine Glaive.
But
sustain में उतनी problem आ नहीं रही है, man. Let's be honest, Hybrid is not able to catch onto that Kimmy.
True.
Rippers.
They lost. Last time. He's got like...
Still the tabletoppers.
Still the tabletoppers. That's the beauty of Pro Rippers, by the way. Lord is right there. RNTX gonna chime in. Joseph still creating a lot of space. This Baxia is actually annoying AOG. Instantly chiming in. And now you've got a target locked in. Which is crazy. The Blazing Duet works. Chom is dishing out a hell lot of damage. Drem gonna fall back. And now you might lose this lot too. What a scrappy fight against Autobots. And meanwhile, Toby is still busy towards the far lane.
Still wants to try and push the but वो भी deny किया जाएगा इस time पे as Mirio hops in there at the perfect time. It's a free Lord. Rarin picks up the Chastise Pauldron, but I think so it's getting a little bit too late for you to try and survive through that burst, which is just destroying you. और एक Kimmy को counter करने के सिर्फ दो major item होते हैं जो आपको बनाने ही पड़ेंगे.
जी.
One of them is the Radiant Armor. The second is the Blade Armor. You cannot go without those two. add in the Chastise Pauldron as well for the third one though. You only have one till now. क्योंकि उससे पहले आपको बाकी कोर भी बनाने हैं. Want to complete the Chastise. Already वो
Radiant armor and
blade armor. Oh. Hold on. Rem survives. Alright. On the other side of the spectrum though, looking at the rest of the few items, Demon Hunter Sword now being prioritized by Toby at the very last. You already have the Trinity completed on the other side. Chastise should be picked up by Crime God anytime soon.
Instant destruction. Curtain's call should be utilized any second, which gotta look out for him. Baxia and Lord Jom sticking together. The Lord instantly got annihilated though.
Yeah, I mean, thanks to the Holy Shield of the towers, right? So it's not even 12 minutes right now. It's fine.
But still,
7,000 gold deficit.
that is about. I was about to mention that too.
32,000 gold is that mark जहाँ पे आपकी टीम के core damage dealers के main item आ जाते हैं. Where now you're able to take the fights, given if your damage dealers are in that fight. Toby, Trinity completed hai. I'm pretty sure Rem as well has got his own couple of major items. So those are going to be the crucial moments jab Autobots can decide to go for the fight or not. But then the second mark is the 42,000 gold mark.
Gatod is nowhere to be seen once again. He's right there. Kalia utilized the Tsunami Slam, but off to go. It's no use. The Blazing Duet works. Crab God eventually takes down the Lunox, and you are done before even the Lord fight started. You lost two of your main players. It is heartbreaking for the players of Autobots कि वो एक fight में engage करना चाह रहे हैं, आप उससे पहले ही disengage करने में मजबूर कर देते हैं. The combination of this Baxia and Gatod is crazy. No way. They're gonna wait for the Lord. What they're doing, destroying the inhibitors.
Yeah, क्योंकि पिछली fight जो उन्होंने जीती है, that was without Jom in the fight. Don't forget that. It was a numbers disadvantage fight. उसके बाद भी RNTX was just able to close this one out.
Wow.
And his point पे भी problem luck को ही आ रही है because he's not able to give a proper set to his team. And one of the reason is अगर आप Joseph को उठाते हैं, Cram God will jump with the AOG. अगर आप Cram को उठाते हैं, Joseph will jump in with his Shield of Unity. अगर आप दोनों में को ही छोड़ देते हैं, Miro is still standing on your face with the curtains call. It's a full dive comp. And you don't really have a lot to go for the anti-dive. Hybrid needs to be that key जो कि सामने backline में जाके then he gives in that flicker shifting sky setup. अगर वो ये नहीं कर पाते हैं,
Lord,
and there would be nothing that Autobots could do, and you rightfully mentioned it. It is a free Lord.
Toby to be unseen once again. Luck off to no use, trying to steal that. But he won't be able
Everybody
to do
knows
that.
he's not going to jump there. It's fine. Yeah.
Yeah, respected it. Although now Lord is just too far away, far lane. उसके ऊपर Jom is controlling the Manine waves, trying to take control of the center lane too. All the players are stacking together now. I think so. The SOD will play a massive role here. Toby going to define and deny the players, especially coming with the Lord.
Yeah.
Going to play a very important role here now.
Here's going to be the big thing. You can't really push Moscow down over towards any of the side lanes, considering RNDX would go for the anti-strap right now, but they want a full-fledged push out in this tower, down towards the in-head, towards the bot. AOD by Cramgod, just to zone the ball off. There we go. Tsunami Slam out of the face. Hybrid, where are you? I still need to see the shifting skies. It doesn't matter. Hybrid's been deleted instantly. Ronin doesn't have enough time to go for the Appraiser's Wrath. It's Witch with all the 80 stacks, my guy. Gets another triple. And with this, RNTX will close the series 2-0.
A clean